Hey guys, alright, back on the Duramax LLY with the fuel leak, guys. As you can see, I've already showed you guys. Here's those very ugly fuel lines, guys. Look at that. That's hideous, you guys. How long has this been on there, guys? This is probably original on the truck. These are probably extremely original, guys. Look at that. That's horrible, guys. I don't know why anybody wouldn't help this man make sure that his truck is running the best possible. Regardless, guys, here we are. So remember, those are 5/16 hoses right there. See that? It's a 5/16 fuel line, fuel hose. See that? Again, guys, 5/16 fuel hose. That's what's gonna go there, guys. And I can either choose to put these clamps back on, or I can use the original factory spring clamps on there. They actually do fit around here, guys. They will fit around there. So I'm going to make that choice right now. I won't lie to you guys. The factory ones are actually really good, guys. Those factory clamps are actually designed to work really good. They're not like these. As the hose gets old and crimp and dry, these will keep tightening because they're spring designed clamps that with heat and time they still will keep tightening, because they just wrap around the size of the thing that they're going around. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those on, guys. I'll show you what's going on right there. As you guys can see, that's what it looks like down there, guys. Ugly down there, little leaks here and there, but there it goes, guys. Look at that. So it's all off. This one's your challenge right here. As you can see, that one, don't be afraid. Pull it off to the side, guys. That one right here is a little bit of a harder one, just because look at that little gap. What I did is I pulled it out a little bit this way. So I'm gonna put the hose in this way first, and then I'm gonna push it back and then walk the hose forward again. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and get on that, and I'll show you guys how to do that right now. All right, see you guys in a bit.